Pretty good.
Yeah, we're not gonna get skunked.
There we go. Show him to
Right.
the camera. There we go. First one.
He got in the grass.
Come on. Come on. Just keep him tight. That looks like a good fish.
He's got down in the grass.
Just hold on. Keep him against you right.
I think he's still there.
Yeah. Come on. Come on with it. You got 17?
Yeah.
Come on. I hope.
This is 17.
Yeah, I think you're fine. Who knows how big it's going to be? Could be big. I think he is going to be big. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Not
No.
big as I thought it was. More grass.
He shrunk. He shrunk.
Do the way he was swimming with it right there?
Yeah, he's sideways.
I thought he was in that grass. Oh, you had him on that.
There he is.
Yeah, you wanted him a little plastic breakfast this morning.
Yeah. See, all we did was change the hook and the weight.
Tell you, it makes a whole lot of difference in any water, but especially in clear water. That's a nice spotted bass there.
Yeah.
You what he spit up? He spit up a plastic worm. That's a little pig there. Now if you're keeping fish to eat,
Mm-hmm.
other than crappie, that's the next best eating fish in the lake. That little spotted bass.
Right.
And he's legal, actually. That's
Yeah.
a legal fish right there. He's not a money fish, but he hit that new color.
Okay.
Actually, I went back and put in another. Guys,
That color might be working, huh?
that color might be good.
And that's a new zoom.
Yeah.
Kind of a translucent. You need the net?
No. Where'd he go?
He's still in
He's in there.
Look over there.
Oh, I got to get that on video.
What? No, this is grass.
That's a big boy,
I'm
yeah.
throwing that's my lure.
That fish there, in my opinion, was suspended.
Oh, yeah.
I hit it on the way down. Look at the fish right here. See?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're all over the dip finder.
I'll hit that crankbait.
Yeah, big fish. Yeah, that's the size we're after, ain't it?
Yeah.
Smaller than mine.
In about 6 years, that'd be perfect.
Yeah,
Get your check.
maybe. No,
Swallow
that's
your
all.
jaw.
It's bigger than I thought.
That was my fish.
That was your fish, yeah.
Look at his strain marks on his lip.
Oh,
Look at his strain marks on his lip.
let me see. Yeah, he's got jig marks on his lips.
But I'm telling you.
Where you jerked the jig out of his mouth
I knocked the shit out of him.
with it.
You still got it?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's so small compared to the
Yeah.
lure.
14. He caught before. Look at his lip.
Oh yeah. He likes to bite them lures. Yeah.
Big old spot. Boy, he ate it. You think he didn't swallow it?
Good. He's not big.
Slide him in there, boy.
That fish is bad shape. Fish on, fish on.
30 foot of water.
There he is. You didn't say fish on.
I did.
When?
After I had the fish on, I wasn't going to throw him.
After you got him to the boat, you said
Do that
fish
big
on.
time. Look
Show
at
us that
that
big
big
fish.
boy.
Oh yeah, yeah. Come on, he's gonna jump.
Got a spot? I got another largemouth.
Where is he?
I thought that was large.
Where'd he go?
That's a little better fish. Probably that one hit. This jig. Right there in the, boy, that's a spot. That's a big spot.
That is.
Golly, what a big spot. Golly. That is a beautiful fish. That fish is way close to 2 pounds.
Let's see him.
It's not a better one.
Now, I thought it might come up. Here's a big one. Boy, those are good sized spots.
Yeah.
Oh, there went my.
Then when you trail halfway to the top.
Right on the edge of that, man, that's a spot. He's right on the edge of that ridge.
And he was suspended.
Now I'm up to 26 here.
Boy, he's really yellowish.
Mm.